Hey, Happy New Year guys, it's 2025 and this was my first painting and this is my progress so far. There is a lot of difference, I mean, every single artist wants to grow rapidly, but it depends upon your efforts and receiving capacity of your mind. I mean, how much basic information you keep in your mind while you're drawing, that matters. It took me a year to be in this stage of rendering. I mean, after practicing a lot and observing different artists and their techniques, like how they simplify complex things, then I'm able to render my paintings, and I'm still in the intermediate level of rendering. Like, I'm not completely mastered, I'm also in a intermediate level. Let me share some basic things that I upgraded throughout the year in my art. Basically, you have to keep an eye on the soft and hard edges while rendering an art. And if you look at my recent drawings like this, there was a confident stroke, like it is having some smooth and hard edges. There was a lot more details on eyes, and there was clean, the painting is clean. And if you look at this drawing like this, see the bounce light. I have made a nice bounce light. I have given a nice bounce light, and there was a soft and hard edges. There was a lot more cleaner face, cleaner lips and tiny details, and it really stands out. And the shininess of the earrings. And if you look at this drawing, this is one of my favorite drawings. Like, there was a lot more details on hair. The hair is shining a lot. She's standing on the open background where the sunlight is hitting right from the top. And if you look at this painting, there was a lot of details added here, okay? And if you look at this drawing, my recent drawing, it is pretty good. She is nice, she is looking nice because the soft and hard edges, okay? You can clearly see the bounce light under the hat like she is wearing. I have much improved in terms of details like the helmet and the eyes. Okay, if we look at my first drawing here, it's very clear how underconfident I was at that time. Like, there was no confident stroke on the hair. The face is looking so much smoother, okay? Like, there was no hard and soft edges. Like, there was no evidence of hard and soft edges. All was messy and there was less details. And now, if we look at my recent drawings, it's obvious how much I've improved and upgraded, especially when it comes to soft and hard edges and lighting, scenarios, etc. Looking at your art, it's easy to tell how confident you are, and that's exactly the kind of confidence I can now see in my own art. Comparing my first post and my latest post, even in terms of details, I am pretty much improved and I'm happy by these improvements. Even in terms of details, I have made significant improvements. I use it to compare my old paintings with my new paintings to track my improvements, and it's clearly visible how much I've improved in terms of details and lighting. I was not aware of details and of course about the values, like how to put the proper amount of values. You can visit my Instagram account, the link is in the description, where I post all of my paintings there. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new in channel.